All right, Bellefield High School in Manchester on Wednesday celebrated the achievement of Midland long-distance runner Javon Tomlin, who earned 2 gold medals at the recently held Carifta Games in Grenada. Courtney Morgan reports.
Jamaica won 71 medals at the Games, including 28 gold. Tomlin earned 2 of those gold medals in the 1500 and the 3000 meters, an achievement his school thought was worth celebrating. And so, cheering teachers, students, family and community members joined in a motorcade which travelled 10 kilometers from the hills of the Bellefield community down to the parish capital, Mandeville. There we spoke with a shy 14-year-old 8th grader who said he was always confident he would perform well at the games.
Sir, I don't feel no way, sir, because I know say goal is for me, sir. Nobody did it to run left me, sir.
Dean Tomlin, cousin and coach of Javon, known for producing middle and long-distance runners such as Olympian Kemal Campbell, hoped this is the start of bigger things to come for the young athlete.
Just hope that he will use this as a motivation, work hard, know that nothing will come easy. This is not the end of the journey for him, this is just the beginning. As a coach, I think this means a lot for me personally and the institution. I hope this will motivate other kids who are in the institution, who have the talent just like Javon, to come out, because it's difficult to get them out for training. So I hope this will motivate them to come out and know that there are a lot of opportunity in the track and field for them, so they just need to come out, train hard, and they will achieve the success.
Meanwhile, an elated school principal, Paul Grant, said it was important to highlight young Tomlin's achievement because
when they do bad in public, persons take videos, they broadcast it on social media without permission, so why not take it to them? So as a school, we pause today, we have the support of the police, we have the media here, and we thank you for coming. We have our teachers here, those who assisted to break the truck here. We have our students, Mrs. McNeil and her team. We thank everyone for supporting us, because as a school, we are proud.
And with that, these brief parting words from a grateful Tomlin.
I feel good, sir. I thank them to come out and give me the support, sir.
Courtney Morgan, TVJ Sports.